Hello everybody, my name is Bilo King David Ibukunoluwa, and today we are going to be walking through the basics and the importance of programming in C. But before we start, I'd like to introduce you on what we actually learn in this course. So this course will start with backend to front to back coding lectures on using code blocks to code. So first of all, code blocks is used to code C. C is a programming language that is used vastly. So in this lecture, through series of videos, we'll learn how to actually code from beginner to professional all for free, and we learn to code the language C. So C is basically like a fundamental language. Okay, so other languages that gotten off C, and it's like a very good thing if you understand the basics of C. You can code a lot of stuff, create a lot of things, implement your own stuff, and you can also add it to your resume. So it gives you versatility in other fields of computer science or software engineering for those who want to study these courses. So that's basically it. So okay, so what's C used for? C is basically a language that is used for coding. Okay, of course we all know it's used for coding, but like it's a language that helps the user to interface one on one. So like the programmer can tell the computer what to do, and the response using C. So you can use it to create a lot of things. You can do a lot of math combinations. You can make a lot of things like X and O games. You can basically make anything with C. So C is just like a foundation. So you can think of C basically as a foundation language. So by you understanding C, it will be easy for you to grab other languages basically. So I also shared the link of the studio we're using to program C. That's code blocks. Okay, code blocks. That's what we shall be using in this lecture. I'll share the link in the YouTube channel, and yes, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that like button and the ringtone so that any new programming videos you get, you will also get notification basically. So I've talked about what C is used for. I mean advantages of learning and the advantages of learning it. We said that it's basically like a foundation for other learning other programming languages. Now we should look a bit into code blocks itself. Okay, and that will be covered in our next video. So yeah, once again, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the like button and also comment below.